The role of Mr. Trump is interesting also in another way. He claimed, for example, that he solved the recent flare-up in the violence between India and Pakistan.
Look, I think where we had the recent, fighting between India and Pakistan.
Did you catch the ones that murdered those 26 tourists?
I think we were able to identify who they were because there were pictures of them.
People that you know who they are still not caught, but the operation you mentioned, it's still ongoing.
No, that is not my assertion, and let me explain this to you, then maybe you would get it.
And where was the US in this process?
Well, the US was in the United States. I mean, obviously there were